back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a Halloween haul. It's been a really long time since I do like a themed haul, but that's because we've been going to Disneyland a little bit more often since we are Magic Key holders this year, so we end up buying less and less every time we go. But we went during the Halloween time and we went during Oogie Boogie and we just could not resist ourselves. It's so hard to plan a Halloween event day to go to the parks because if you go early, you might get some of the merch that sells out. But as you wait, more stuff comes out. So after we came back, more Halloween stuff came out. So yeah, it's hard to plan when to go during like a holiday takeover kind of thing. But we went in September. I have a video of us filming everything Halloween merch that there had to be, and that's already out if you want to check it out, and everything that they offer or offered at that time at the parks. But yeah, let's go ahead and hear all about it. So let's start with my husband's t-shirt. We usually don't buy t-shirts at Disneyland. I don't know why. I have quite a bit of Disney shirts, but they're all up from Uniqlo. Or the Disney outlet, but we really like this one and they had my husband's size, so we said, oh, why not? Now, my husband used to be a huge Nightmare Before Christmas person, and then I think it blew up, so anytime something blows up, he's like, meh. And now I think that people are forgetting it a little bit, not that it's ever forgotten, but you know, he's starting to like it again. So he did buy a shirt, and this is a Santa Claus shirt, and it is a takeover of the Haunted Mansion. I'm sorry, it has my cat's hair in it. We did wash it, but if you have pets, you know immediately, I don't know, it touches the atmosphere and it has hair automatically. But it is from the Haunted Mansion layover, so that's why we really liked it, because it has that Haunted Mansion theming. Let me show you in the back. It's like the wallpaper of the Haunted Mansion, but it has Santa Claus in the front and it says Disneyland Resort, so we really like that. And then on the side, it has an embroidered Haunted Mansion and then Nightmare Before Christmas. So we just really liked it. I want to say, and I believe this is in the video that I shot, but I want to say this was $35. And there was two that he liked. He ended up buying both and then trying them on at the hotel and decided on this one. And we were able to return the other one, no problem. And that is true at the park. So if you buy something at Disney California, you can return it at Disneyland or the World of Disney or anything like that. So this is the one he ended up with. All right, let's move on to the next thing. And I have no like rhyme or reason for this, so I'm just going in the order that I see it. So the next thing we have is these little head things. So cute. So this is from Create Your Own Magic Band. Create Your Own Headband. So I only bought these two. I already have my Create My Own Headband somewhere here, and we actually got it in Hong Kong when we went in Hong Kong in January of this year. So I already have the headband and I already have quite a bit of little heads. So I could not remember which little heads I already had at my house. So these were the only two I bought because I knew for a fact that I didn't have these two. I also don't want to get all of them. I only want to get like my favorites. So if you want to see which ones I already have, the Hong Kong haul video has been out for a while and you can see the little heads that I got from there, because of course they had like Duffy and Friend exclusives there. But at Disneyland, I got Jack, the Pumpkin King. Very cute. I can't remember his price. I think it's like $12 per head or something like that. I could be completely wrong. And then here is Zero with the little pumpkin. And then you put them into the headbands, and then this is kind of how I envision it looking. Like it would really go with my sweater right now. Very cute. I should have actually gotten them ready to show you what it looks like. But if you're wondering how they go on the headband, they are Velcro. You put the headband and then you Velcro them close together, and you're done. You have yourself a customized headband. And I've seen these everywhere. We recently came back from a Disney cruise and quite a bit of people were wearing their customizable headbands. So I'm glad they made it to the States because I can continue building my headband. The next thing we have is this crow. We love this little guy. Again, if you've seen the other video of us walking through the Disney parks, you've seen this crow. He is just so adorable. If you pat him in the head, he talks. He is just our favorite. We just think he's so funny. And my husband wore it for Oogie Boogie. So this is a magnetic piece, and you put the magnetic piece inside of, you know, whatever it is that you're wearing, and then you can put him. Okay, I know you're crooked, my friend, but I'm just showing them. Now he's a little crooked. I would probably put him a little more back, but so the whole night, I will tell you, he has a mind of his own. Throughout the night, he was just, no one would touch him, and he would still be like, ah, ah. So we really like him. He was expensive. My husband and I went back and forth. I believe he was 35, and I think that's so much for like a shoulder buddy. But he's like, it lights up, it talks, we like it. And I'm like, okay, I guess it could be a Halloween decoration. But yeah, obsessed with him. I don't know if I'll make it to the outlets. I try to guess. Usually, I don't know that he will. Okay, next thing. The next thing we have is a Halloween zipper. Now, this zipper, anybody could buy it. It is not the Magic Key zipper. They did have a Magic Key one that was like a metal. And it had like the Disney villains on there, but I like this print a lot more. So let me take off the holder real quick. So let me show you the print. So it has the Sanderson sisters, which, see? I don't know if you heard it, but it just went off. Let me know if you know the Sanderson sisters name. That was a trivia question on the cruise, but we did not know them. But there's the three. One of them is Sarah. We did learn that. And then you have pumpkins. You have Mickey looking all cute. More little pumpkins with little faces. We have Goofy right here, Chip and Dale looking so majestic. You have Donald being so naughty right there. So I just thought it was really cute. I love these from Disney. I'm telling you, has a mind of its own, which I actually like it even more because it has a mind of its own. Anyways, I love these from Disney World. You know, the ones that you can get at the resorts and you can fill up for soda for like X amount of days. Not at the Disney World parks, but at the resorts. That's what this reminds me of without the handle. I wish I had a handle, but it opens the same way. It has the Mickey. It opens the same way. You drink out of it the same way. And then this one, instead of coming with like a handle, it comes with this little parcel looking thing. So you put it in there, and you can do this with any water bottle probably. But you put it in there, you know, you like grip it nicely, and then you can hang it and wear it on your body. And that way you don't have to carry it. You're just like carrying it on your body. I actually really like this piece. And I can see myself probably taking this to the parks eventually. But I just wanted it for me, for my office. Like, as I drink, they're so easy to wash. I'm a child. Like, if I could get those Hercules plates and use those the rest of my life, I would, because they were so easy to wash. Okay, moving on. Moving on really quickly, we kept the maps for Oogie Boogie. I always keep them. I end up, like, if I ever do any, like, magic mail, I end up using them and sending them. And then I keep one just for fun, for comparison. And then I always keep my band as well. Just because eventually I want to make, like, one of those, like, I used to scrapbook a lot, but now I just do like junk journals. So eventually I want to print pictures and put it in there. And then the next two are freebies that we got for being Magic Key holders. So these ones are recent. So for a whole month they were giving them out. And it's lucky if you live there, but if you're like a Magic Key like us that lives out of state, then you get what you get if you get something. But we got lucky, and the day we were there, they happened to be giving these away. And it is like trading cards of, there was 4 villains. The week we were there, we got the Evil, Witch, and the Hag. Let me see if I can get the Hag for y'all. Do you all, oh yeah, as you can see here. Ta-da! But we got 2 because of course, oh, we are both Magic Key holders. But it's one of those, I hate touching these. But on the back, it has little trivia or information. I'm calling everything trivia now that we're back. The Huntsman, Magic Mirror on the Wall, who's the fairest of them all. She was the first character to speak in a Disney feature-length animated movie. But yeah, so we got those for free. Whoop. And then we also got these for free, and I say free because the annual pass is not free, but these were so gnarly. These are so cool. I cannot wait to put these on my backpack. So these ones, let me take one out of the cellophane thing. Is it cellophane? Plastic wrapping. But here it is, just so because of the glare. But it is Hades. It says Oogie Boogie Bash. It doesn't say the year. It says Magic Key Disneyland. It is so neat. And again, you just went to the Magic Key line and you got it. It's not like you had to like pay or anything. They did scan your Magic Key because it's 1 per person. And then on the back it says select nights, August 25th to October 31st. It's so cool. I'm so happy with this one. I also got one when I went to the Throwback Night event. They also gave us a patch then. So really happy with that. We have 2 more things. So the next thing is this Oogie Boogie pin. Every year we go, I collect an Oogie Boogie pin, and this is the one that we wanted. Now, this was not the best one, I will say. I think some of the other designs were better, but it's gonna be our only year that we're Magic Key holders because we are not renewing. We want to travel more, so that money has to get allotted somewhere else. So this is our last year, first and last year for now, of Magic Key holding. And so we figured, okay, let's get the pin so we can commemorate both things, Oogie Boogie and then our first time as Magic Key holders. But yeah, there it is. Super, super neat. And then the last thing, goodbye, is you've probably seen it on the thumbnail, my backpack. Yay! I was so happy again. If you watch the other video and you see me find it, I was so happy finding this. This was launched months ago. Like, I saw this on like social media months ago and I thought it was so cute. I looked all over Loungefly, I looked at disneystore.com. I could not find the bag. I thought they were sold out because anytime I try to look to see how much resellers were reselling it for, it was like 200, which one, I don't really buy from resellers. It terrifies me and I don't like supporting the fact that they're reselling. But I'm always curious how much these things are going for. So this one was over 200, and so I really thought it was sold out. No luck. And then we went and they were all over the place. So I think they just had a hype and then everybody forgot about it, which is great for me because I love it. So it is one of these canvas materials. They haven't done one of these in a really long time. And again, I apologize for the little white hairs from my cat. But Haunted Mansion, it has these studs that remind me of, like, Avril Lavigne belts. You know what I'm talking about? But it reminds me of that. Again, Haunted Mansion. And then in the front, it says, "Welcome, foolish mortals," which I love that it's dual tone. More of these studs, and they are studs on here. And I probably should have done a lint roller on this one before I showed it to you, so I apologize. And then it has some patched? No, sewn in. I remember stitched parts of the ride. Yay, it's so cute. Okay, that's another trivia question. What is her name? Tell me on the chat. That was another one of the trivia questions that we did get correct. But just thought it was super cute. I believe she was around $75. If I haven't said the price. I believe the pin was in the 20s, and I think everything else will tell you the price. The cup, I don't remember. 15? But it came with a drink, and the drink came on the side. So they gave you like a separate cup, so that way you didn't have to carry around a dirty cup. And I think that told you everything else is a freebie. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I think this is around 75. I'm sorry, I don't have any other prices, but we did wear them and use them while we were there. So yay! So that is my quick haul. Hopefully it was quick. Of Halloween things that we bought at the parks. Let me know what is something that you tend to go for or you tend to buy when you're at the parks. For me, I always look at the Loungeflies, but I've been really restricting myself because I have so much. I have too much. I am aware. So I'm trying to be very selective with what I'm getting now. Pins, I always get them. I also have too many. Like, this used to be my collection and now I have so many pins over there staring at me. Hello. And they're like, another one. Great. But yeah, let me know what it is that you gravitate towards. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see the other videos I was mentioning and our adventures as we continue to adventure out. I hope you have a magical day and a spooky day. And until next time, adios.